Hi guys, welcome back to Estella Plans. I am back with July 10th through the 16th and my Erin Condren planner. This kit is from Days Untangled. I haven't used her kits a lot, so we are going to play together. I also have this kind of like extras from somewhere that I thought would go with it. And then I had Leonard Designs last week, and these are the extra numbers, and I thought they would go well since this kit doesn't have numbers. So of course we're going to use these orange because I don't think I will use them in other kits until like October. So we're going to use them because they go well with everything that we got going on. That's what we're going to do. How are you guys today? I am trying to figure out life without my niece. She's 18, but she has 2 months to go to college. And, well, she has all of July and August. And it just seems like once she turned 18, she's a little bit out of control with the fact that she wants to do what she wants to do. She really doesn't care what anyone has to say about it, and it scares me just because sometimes I feel like her decision-making skills are not the best because she doesn't learn from her mistakes. The same thing happens over and over again, and I don't know why she doesn't learn from them. And so as a mom or an auntie, caretaker, I be so scared of like her, what's gonna happen, life. And so I don't know, I'm trying to get through that stage and get her off to school, so at least I don't have to see it every day. And I'm trying to get these on here without it's cut, but you can see that the kiss cut is sticking. So I don't know where I got this kit from, like if I got it in a haul, if someone gave it to me. I'm not really sure. This shop doesn't ring a bell to me. So have you guys used this shop? But it's a camping theme and it's really cozy. So we are going to try to make it work, right? Now this is sticking bad. Come on. Don't do that to me. Oh, here we go. I already started, so like there's no scrapping that. No scrapping that. I have to make it work because my headers are down. It's not like I can be like, oh, I'm not gonna use a header. That ain't gonna happen. Definitely got to use the headers. Okay. So those are the headers, and the washi headers are these. I don't know where I got this kit from, but like if I did, it's not the best kit, I can tell you that. Okay. Not really being nice. Okay, well, came out a little bit. Okay, this kit. Okay, I don't remember which way it went. Doesn't matter. Maybe not. And I'm not even sure if I'm gonna leave it this way, but it's down. So let's do that. Okay. It's not really working for me. You can see there that it didn't cut. At this point, I'm like, let me pull up the negative. See if that helps me. Okay, if I pull the negative, at least it helped me see where I need to do sticker surgery. Okay, so I can see where it's supposed to cut. And try, I should have folded that the wrong way, but okay. Okay. Okay, this definitely goes this way. And now I got sticker paper stuck to me. Okay, this goes this way. So let's put that down. And then I got this little happy camper thing. Well, this is becoming no fun. I hate playing with like sticker surgery. We're done with this sheet. Woo. That was a struggle. Okay. Now. I feel like I'm gonna put this orange wherever I got this from. It's not that great. Okay, I'm gonna put this orange box here. Then I can definitely put this here underneath. And then let's do a green box. And then I don't like this here. So today, let's take it out. I mean, let's put this all the way down there. What is in the middle? Let's do a hunter green and a little header, which is gonna have to be like an orange. See if we can get it out. Nope. Well, that didn't work. Okay. What are we gonna do if these headers don't come out? Because I'm not fin to be playing with headers. So let's see if we can get some of these out. And I'm gonna have to, let me pull the page. Let's do the negative, because if this doesn't come apart, we're gonna have to do another option, because I'm not gonna be playing with these. I could play with the big boxes, but not these little ones. Like, I don't have the patience for that. So I'm gonna try to pull up the negative, which, look how terrible that is. Okay, so no, we will not be using those, but let's try to use these girls, because it's big enough that I can play with. I'm not gonna be playing with them little boxes. Nope. Okay, so we got this one. Let's try, this is terrible. Okay, that didn't work out. And then there's some other girls in here. So at this point, let's just play with the girls. Okay, and then it's this girl. At least I like that they're a variety in sizes and they don't discriminate. It's like very diverse in this kit. Well, that ain't gonna work. Okay, so we got that. We're gonna throw that away. Okay, and then it's one more girl over here, and we're gonna use her. So let's put her here. Fashion Girl Happy. So we're gonna throw that away, because ain't nobody doing that, and I won't be back for it. I got some headers, but oh, let's see what I can get out. Okay, are any of them okay to use, or they're all kind of, I don't know. I don't really like how they came out. I don't really like those. So let's say no to that. So no, we're not gonna do that. Maybe we could, let's see if we can get this camper seam out. It could be like sticker heavy. Okay, so here's a camper seam. And I like that the double boxes is together. That's kind of cool. We need another sticker over here. So let's do this. Oh, that one, I was gonna say it doesn't want to come. There we go. So there's the s'mores. I think I'm gonna have to use a green or something. Do we have a fire? Let's try to use this one. Man, sticker surgery over here. So maybe this is why I didn't buy from the shop. I don't know. I just feel like it's like one that you made at home, but I didn't make this at home. Okay, so we have that. Let's try to put a lantern in. Oop, that kind of broke. I'm not being as delicate as I should, right? What does that mean? Okay. Have that. And then I like this hammock one. Let's see if we can get it out. Let's be a little bit more delicate, so it's just like, it's not coming. Okay. Okay, Stella. Okay, there we go. Okay, I like the hammock. And I feel like, where am I putting the hammock? Here. Very sticker heavy, but okay. And then this one has like clothes and shoes. Do I really need that? I could put one up here. What am I gonna put up there? Whichever one doesn't break. Okay, that made it. Let me see. Okay, I got that. And then there is a tree. Let me see if I can save it. Since I didn't use any kind of boxes really, I can go sticker heavy on this one. Everything else didn't work. Okay, let's put this one. No, I don't want that there because I have that house above it. No, we're not gonna use it. No. Okay, so let's put that back. I'm done with that. I'm just gonna toss it because this sticker sheet is not worth playing with. Okay, and then I have these, which is 2 of them. So let me put this down. I have stickers stuck to my finger. So I have this one. then I'm gonna go over here with this one. Now this other color is kind of pinkish, and I'm not really doing that color. So we're gonna save that. And then we'll see if we can use any of these boxes if they come up. So we have this green one. Okay, and then that's a no. We do have this one. Let's see if it doesn't kind of balance out the page. In case it doesn't, we'll do one at a time. Okay, we got this one. So we're gonna put that here. Okay, and then we have one more, which is this green one. We can put that here. Okay, and now we have these at the bottom, which might work. Okay, so let's put this one here. Crooked. Bye, Stella. Okay, there. And then that ain't gonna happen. Try this one. This one can go here. I got one more, which is a green one. Let's try to get that out. If it doesn't come, it doesn't come. Nope. So that's gonna be trash. So that's kind of where we're at. Now we need to find like an orangey. This is orange. We don't need red anymore. This one might be too dark. Let's try those first. Let's see what we got. So we got orange. That's like really orange. Then we have like, I don't like that. Let's see. What if we do like, that's kind of bright green. Try this one. I could do this orange. So I think I'm gonna use, this came from the Dollar Tree. Basically, we're gonna use this highlighter and do similar to what we did last week. Okay, so now it looks like that. I don't like I went over a little bit over there. Let's see if this can. Doesn't really look like it's working, right? Okay, so now we have this. What else do we want to do? We want to leave it like that. Let's look in here. Okay guys, I think this is going to be it. I really like this. Let me see about this top part, if I want to add this or not. No, don't like that. How about this one? No, I don't like that neither. So we're gonna leave it like that. Look how great it looks. That is going to be it for this week. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye.